Okay, let's dive in. Today, we're taking a close look at the whole digital manufacturing ecosystem, from velocity plotters and cutters.
Right.
Their whole mission, it seems, is about more than just machinery. It's about boosting automation, precision, and especially sustainability.
Exactly. And to make sense of it all, we're just going to follow the workflow. It
Good.
starts with digitizing patterns, moves through plotting, and then ends with high-speed cutting. It's that integrated path that really unlocks, huge gains in accuracy and productivity.
So let's start at the beginning.
Mm.
You have physical patterns, maybe decades of them. How do you get them into this system?
That's the first hurdle, and their answer is the Velocity V-Shoot camera digitizing system.
And what's the big deal with that?
Well, it's the efficiency. The Velocity V-Shoot has this calibration-free technology.
Yeningash.
You set it up once, just once. After that, it's automated, instant digitization. You put a pattern down, and a digital file is ready in, seconds.
Wow. And what about huge patterns?
It handles oversized pattern digitization with something called fractional digitizing, so nothing gets left out.
Okay, so the pattern is digital. Now what? It goes into CAD software, right?
Yeah.
Something like Otis's Apparel Expert for
Mm.
design and minimizing waste.
Correct. That's where the design and marker making happens. But the critical link, the piece that connects CAD to the hardware, is a software called EasyPlot.
Think of it as a universal translator.
That's a perfect way to put it. It takes CAD files like .dxf or DWG and turns them into a format the plotters understand, like .plt or HPGL. It's the essential bridge.
Got it. So that brings us to the actual hardware, the plotters. I understand Velocity has three main categories.
They do. You have pattern plotters for pre-production, high-volume marker plotters, and then the multifunctional pattern plotter cutters.
So for pre-production, maybe for fashion sampling.
For that, you'd look at the Plotter Velocity Technical one. It's specialized for that exact purpose, but for sheer volume, you're jumping into the Velocity Vector Marker series.
And those scale up pretty dramatically, don't they?
Oh, absolutely. It starts with the Velocity Vector 1 marker plotter. Then you can move up to the Velocity Vector 2 heads marker plotter.
And what's the top of the line?
That would be the ultra-fast Velocity Vector 4-head marker plotter. It's their manufacturing workhorse, and it comes in these huge 72-inch and 88-inch widths.
But they do more than just soft goods. I saw they have tools for tougher materials.
Right, that's where the Velocity flatbed cutter models come in. You have the Velocity flatbed plotter cutter standard and the Velocity flatbed template plotter cutter model.
And these are for what exactly?
They do plotting and scribing, sure, but their main job is precision cutting on thick, rigid industrial materials. Think heavy cardboard, PVC, that sort of thing.
Okay, now for the final step.
Yeah.
This seems like where the biggest ROI is. Automated cutting.
The Velocity ProCut X single ply cutter.
Tell me about that.
This is where it all comes together. It uses intelligent cutting algorithms, but the real game changer is the view match projection system.
Wait, it projects the pattern onto the fabric.
It does.
Yeah.
It projects the layout right onto the material so the operator can see it, move things around for the best yield, and then commit to the cut. It saves so much material.
And it's fast.
Up to 100 meters a minute. Plus, it has modular tools. You can swap in an oscillating knife for tough stuff or a rotary blade for breathable fabrics. It just adapts.
What if you need to cut, huge stacks of fabric at once?
For that massive scale, there's the Otis's NeoCut Bravo.
Yeah.
It's a high-ply system, handles dense fabrics like Kevlar, using over 300 smart sensors for accuracy.
So, wrapping this up, the key takeaway is that Velocity Plotters offers a complete integrated system.
It's not just a box of machines. It's a full digital workflow, from the Velocity V-Shoot at the start all the way to the Velocity ProCut X at the end.
A planned transition.
Exactly. And if you want to explore this, or if you need technical support, the best place to start is their website.
Which is?
It's www.velocityplotters.com.
Excellent. So as you're listening, here's a final thought. Which part of your process, digitization, plotting, or cutting, could give you the biggest win by adopting one of these automated systems? Something to think about.